Hey Matthew, your question was, how do you do a 6? Why? I mean, why? What's the point of doing a 6 minus 10? All right, but you did say you get 10 minus 6. So I get that, right? So if we were to model this on this number line, I think we would model it like this. We'd start at 10, right? And then we would subtract 6. We would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so 10 minus 6 equals, dun, 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 we end up on a 4. So that's going to be the answer, right? And it's a positive 4, so that makes sense. See, it's on the positive side. However, how do we get to 6 minus 10? Let's try something that we might make more sense, like what about 6 minus, I don't know, maybe 4? Oh, you know what? Let's get even easier. Let's just do this even better. Let's do 6 minus 5. Okay. Sometimes it's good to take this one of the simplest cases you can, which would probably be simpler than this. Probably be like, you know, 2 minus 1, you know? You know what? Since I can get simpler, Einstein once said, make everything as simple as possible, but not simpler. So let's try to see if we get even simpler than what I was doing, but still possible. Simple as possible, but not simpler. So this, okay, so 2 minus 1. So we would start at 2 and just go 1 over, right? Like this, dun, dun, dun. We end up with the answer being 1. But what if we did 2 minus 2? We can do that, right? We can do that. So we just go like this, change this to a 2. There it is. And that's going to be 0. We know that, right? So minus 1, minus 2. Ha! We land on 0, like a game, like a board game, right? We got our little chips. And then what if we went next level and made this a 3? Wait, you can't do that. You don't have anything to take away. Well, kind of. It's more like symbolic. That's what gets crazy about math. When you start talking about negative numbers, it's kind of like an abstract way of thinking sometimes. So it's kind of like you owe somebody money, so to speak, you know? Okay, so we got a negative. See, minus 1. There's 1. Minus 2. 2. And minus 1 more. Ah, we land on this number, which is a negative number. So then this is going to be 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Huh. See, and if we were to keep going, I'm gonna write the next one over here. 2 minus 4. You see where that's gonna go? Uh-huh. Okay, so that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, we land on negative 2 this time. You starting to see the pattern? What kind of a pattern there? You can probably predict what would be next. If we were to do 2 minus 5. Uh-huh. See, negative 1 to negative 2. It's probably going to be a negative 3. See the pattern? 1, 2, 3. Let's find out. Here we go. You're like, Mr. Hoffman, I already know what it's going to be. I can't help myself. I like to pretend like I'm a bunny. See, here's a little bunny right here, bunny rabbit. He likes to hop, so he's going to hop. He's going to hop. How many times is a bunny rabbit going to hop? 5 times to this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that this way. A 1, a 2, 3, 4, and the bunny lands on the 3, and there it is, negative 3. So let's do it now. Your original question is 6 minus 10, all right? And I guess I'll use this in yellow, and then where do we end up? See, it's like green go, yellow slow down, red stop. Where are we going to stop, bunny? So this time the bunny's starting on the 6 over here. Bunny's going to hop how many times? 10 times to the negative direction, right? Taking away. 1, 2, 3. You know what the answer is gonna be? Yeah. Do you know? Do you know? Sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Interesting. So it's a negative 4. That's really interesting. I'm gonna make that in white because it shows up better on this red. Same with this. This negative 1 shows up better on red. This shows up better on red. This is a 4. See, this is red. I guess I can pick that up. Oh man, I'm getting just a little too carried away maybe here. That's so, did you notice that up here, 10 minus 6 is positive 4, but 6 minus 10 is negative 4. All right. I hope you enjoyed that. I sure did. Take care, buddy. Have a great break. Bye.